Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminders in Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so I've got this example sheet open here, and this sheet is going to create automatic reminder messages based on the due date. It's simple, requires no conditional formatting, and updates automatically each day. So what we want to do is open up Google Sheets and create the following headings. So task, due date, reminder, done, and then enter some sample data here. So for this one, I've gone ahead and put in submit report and pay bill. I've got the due date and I've got the reminder today and upcoming. Now step 2 is to go ahead and insert some checkboxes. So click on the column and then we want to go ahead and click onto insert and then insert checkboxes. Now I'm just going to delete that and go ahead and put in done, and now we've got checkboxes here. Now click on cell C2 and then copy and paste this formula. So I'm going to go ahead and put this formula in. So now this is the formula. So if B2 today, overdue, B2 today, due soon and upcoming, and hit enter. And then from here, I can go ahead and drag that down. Now the reminder will automatically appear based on the due date. Now if I go ahead and put in another task, say pay electricity bill, and I'm going to put in a date, say the 19th, hit enter. It's going to say here reminder upcoming. Now for example, say if I put in renew license, and if this was the due date of the 1st of August, it's going to say overdue. And now this is completely optional, so we got this checkbox on the right. So when you finish a task, simply go ahead and check the box. So the reminder will remain visible, but the checkbox lets you see quickly to see which tasks have been completed.